Your pool cover is your swimming pool's first line of defense against debris, wind, and cold temperatures. Browse our selection of durable and long-lasting pool covers for above-ground and in-ground pools and start protecting your pool today. So in this video we will discuss 5 best winter pool cover above ground. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Robelle Round Above Ground Pool Cover. These are the best pool covers for outdoor, above-ground pools that are round in shape. The polyethylene material is durable and stands up to harsh weather. The pool cover itself is solid rather than mesh or another porous material. It will keep out snow during the winter and rain in the springtime, so you won't need to worry about your pool's chemistry altering because of precipitation. The cover size measures 28 feet, designed to fit a 24-foot pool. The additional 4 feet allow the pool cover to install easier. Buying this cover also means you receive a winch and cable along with grommets to securely cover your pool for the colder months. You could opt for cover clips and a cover wrap if you want to be sure the cover is extra secure, but those are sold separately. Choose from 8 different pool cover sizes, all meant for outdoor, above-ground, round pools. Each size offered comes with a 10-year warranty for added peace of mind. Product details: size varies from 12-foot up to 33-foot pools. Material: polyethylene. Recommended pool type: round, above ground. Number 2. Sun 2 Solar Blue 1600 Series Solar Cover. If you have an outdoor pool but don't have it heated, try going solar for one of the best pool covers to use. Solar covers, or solar blankets, use light from the sun to heat the pool water. This pool cover from Sun 2 Solar comes in 29 different sizes and works for in-ground and above-ground pools, meaning you're highly likely to find a cover size that works for whatever size pool you have. Plus, the covers are trimmable if you have a pool with a slightly different shape. It's made up of thousands of bubbles in a resin material and promises to absorb and hold on to heat from the sun's UV rays. This means you can cover up the pool after a day of fun in the sun, and the water will stay warm for your next dive, or belly flop. However, it's not a safety cover, so you may want to skip it if you have little ones around the pool regularly. The brand also advertises that this cover can cut back on as much as 95% of the evaporation that can happen to uncovered pools. This pool cover will also block leaves and other dirt or debris from falling into your pool, saving you time on cleanup, meaning you have more time for enjoying the pool. Product details: size varies from 4 by 8 feet up to 30 by 50 feet. Material: resin. Recommended pool type: rectangular pools. Number 3. Happybuy Pool Safety Cover. We named this pool cover from Happybuy the best overall because it offers multiple benefits, including safety. This cover is for in-ground pools with a rectangular shape and additional sizes are available. When ordering the size meant for a 16 x 30-foot pool, the cover itself measures 18 by 32 feet. The additional 2 feet on each side ensure the pool cover doesn't stretch. It also means it's big enough to protect your swimming pool. The cover is made from high-strength polypropylene and resists both aging and scratching. It's triple-stitched for added durability, something that helps with ensuring the pool cover is safe for pets or little ones who may try to step on it. It also is excellent in cutting back on evaporation. Plus, you'll enjoy a cleaner pool since it effectively keeps debris out. You'll need to install the cover, but all of the hardware is included, so no last-minute trips to the store are necessary. The hardware resists corrosion, which is a huge bonus since it will often be wet from splashing around in the pool in the rain or snow. One thing to note is the tight mesh design allows the rain through, so you may need to keep a closer eye on your pool's chemistry when you're ready to open it for the season. Product details: size 16 by 30 feet. Material: polypropylene. Recommended pool type: rectangular in-ground. Number 4. Pool Mate Heavy Duty Winter Pool Cover. Pool safety is important, and so is keeping your pool clean. This includes preventing rain and snow from entering the swimming pool, knocking its chemistry off balance. If you don't have little ones at the pool very often, then this winter cover is going to be one of the best pool covers for you. Use this cover during the winter when you're not swimming in or otherwise enjoying the pool. This polyethylene pool cover is solid rather than woven or mesh, so it won't let water through it. Plus, its seams are sealed with heat, providing even more protection from precipitation. The top of the cover is treated with a coating that resists damage from the sun's rays. Though the cover comes complete with water tube loops for easy installation, the water tubes that hold the cover in place must be purchased separately. It's designed to work with the water tubes because the cover floats on the water. To that end, be sure to go up in size if your pool has steps or a seat to allow the cover to float on the pool water. The 12 different cover sizes make it easy to find something that will cover your pool. Product details: size varies from 12 by 14 feet up to 30 by 60 feet. Material: polyethylene. Recommended pool type: in-ground. Number 5. Intex Easy Set Round Pool Cover. Intex is one of the leading makers of backyard swimming pools and swimming pool equipment. The Intex Easy Set Round Pool Cover is designed specifically for their line of above-ground swimming pools. The pool cover is light, fits snugly over the lip of the pool, and is quickly and easily tightened with a series of 7-gauge rope ties. Other features include different sizing options. Available for round Intex pools in 8, 12, and 15 feet in diameter. Draining holes to help drain condensation and water accumulation. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.